Welcome to Auto Show. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most aggressive and high-performance superbikes in the world, the new 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100. This beast is built for speed, precision, and adrenaline, offering cutting-edge technology straight from Aprilia's racing heritage. If you're a fan of track-focused motorcycles with raw power and advanced aerodynamics, the RSV4 Factory 1100 is a machine you need to know about. At the heart of the superbike is the mighty 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing an astonishing 217 horsepower. This power plant delivers incredible acceleration, pushing the RSV4 Factory 1100 to extreme speeds with ease. The torque is strong across the rev range, making it a joy to ride both on the track and on the open road. The engine is paired with a smooth and precise 6-speed gearbox, equipped with a quick shifter for seamless upshifts and downshifts without the need for a clutch. One of the standout features of the new RSV4 Factory 1100 is its advanced aerodynamics. Aprilia has refined the bodywork, incorporating winglets directly into the fairing to increase downforce and stability at high speeds. This ensures better grip and control when leaning into corners or braking hard before a turn. The chassis remains lightweight yet incredibly strong, giving riders confidence while pushing the limits on the track. Suspension-wise, Aprilia has equipped the superbike with Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension, providing top-tier adjustability and responsiveness. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or hitting the racetrack, the suspension adapts in real time to offer optimal damping and handling. Combined with top-of-the-line Brembo Stylema brakes, the RSV4 Factory 1100 delivers precise stopping power, ensuring maximum safety even at extreme speeds. Electronics play a huge role in this bike's performance. Aprilia has packed it with an advanced ride-by-wire system, multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cornering ABS. The full-color TFT display provides all the necessary data, and smartphone connectivity allows for performance tracking and customization of settings. In terms of design, the new RSV4 Factory 1100 looks as aggressive as it rides. The sharp lines, aerodynamic winglets, dual LED headlights with DRLs, and a sculpted fuel tank give it a bold presence. The ergonomic seat and handlebars ensure comfort even during high-speed runs, making it both a stylish and practical superbike. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 is built for riders who crave the ultimate track experience with state-of-the-art technology and extreme performance. It's a machine designed for speed, agility, and absolute precision. If you're a superbike enthusiast looking for a ride that delivers championship-level performance, this is the one to beat. That's it for today's review on Auto Show. If you love high-performance motorcycles with race-inspired engineering, the new RSV4 Factory 1100 is a dream machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest motorcycles and cars. See you in the next video.